Hey, I'm Ernest with UpFix. If you own a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram vehicle for models like the Chrysler 200, Jeep Cherokee, or Ram 1500, and your touchscreen is unresponsive, cracked, or delaminated, we've got the solution. One of the most common issues with these touchscreens is delamination due to age and UV exposure, causing the screen to peel or malfunction. Stick around as we explain how the touchscreen digitizer works, common failure symptoms, especially delamination, and how our repair services can save you from expensive replacements. The touchscreen digitizer is the interactive layer of your vehicle's infotainment system, allowing you to control navigation, audio, climate, and more. When it fails, particularly due to delamination, the screen may become unresponsive, visually distorted, or completely unusable. The touchscreens in Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles share similar designs, making them susceptible to delamination from prolonged UV exposure and aging adhesive layers. The touchscreen digitizer we're addressing is found in the following vehicles. Now, it's important to note these screens may look similar, but select the correct vehicle model when ordering repairs, as internal components and sizes can vary slightly. Now, these vehicles rely on the touchscreen for critical functions, and delamination can severely impact usability and safety. Delamination is the most frequent issue, but other symptoms can also arise, affecting functionality and user experience. Touchscreens endure harsh conditions in vehicle cabins, leading to failures, with delamination being the primary concern. Delamination from UV exposure. Prolonged sunlight degrades the adhesive bonding the digitizer to the screen, causing peeling or bubbling. Aging adhesive. Over time, the adhesive weakens, leading to layer separation and touch issues. Physical damage. Impacts or pressure can crack the digitizer, worsening delamination or causing touch failure. Heat and humidity. Extreme cabin temperatures and moisture accelerate adhesive breakdown and delamination. Before sending your touchscreen for repair, confirm the issue with these steps. Inspect the screen surface. Check for visible delamination, cracks, or peeling layers. Test touch functionality. Try multiple functions, the radio, navigation, settings, to confirm specifically which part of the screen is unresponsive. Check the wiring and connectors. Ensure the touchscreen's connections aren't loose or damaged, which could mimic digitizer issues. Restart the infotainment system. Reset the system via the vehicle's manual to rule out software glitches. Replacing your vehicle's touchscreen is expensive, often costing hundreds of dollars, and a new unit may require programming. Used screens risk the same delamination issues. Repairing your original touchscreen digitizer is the best option. Our service replaces the faulty digitizer with a high-quality OEM-grade component, restoring full functionality. We offer a 1-year warranty with a 3 or a 5-year extended warranty for added confidence. Once we receive your touchscreen, our certified technicians diagnose the issue, focusing on delamination and complete repairs within 3 to 5 business days. We thoroughly test touch response, display clarity, and system integration to ensure your touchscreen performs like new before returning it. A delaminated or faulty touchscreen doesn't have to disrupt your drive. Visit UpFix.com for expert repair services for touchscreen digitizers in Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles. Send us your touchscreen and we'll restore it quickly and reliably. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll assist further. Fix your touchscreen today with UpFix.